Hi, I'm John Lawrence C. Bernales from Santa Teresita, Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I am currently enrolled here at Algonquin College as Developmental Services Worker, and my intake is at fall 2024. I choose Algonquin College because of its state-of-the-art facility, competitive professors, and also the advanced technologies in terms of learnings. I chose this course because as a nurse in the Philippines for 5 years, I would like to extend and continue my learnings and skills in terms of caring. Sabi nga ng aking alma mater way back when I was in college, caring for the Filipinos and the people of the world. I felt very comfortable, especially nung first day ko dito because they are very accommodating, very friendly, and of course, very approachable silang lahat. Dagiti padak nga Ilocano, umay kagbasa dito yan. Tamay gapo, nalalaing iti mimistra dito ken napipintas ti facilities in terms of growth and development kanya tayong amin. I would like to grab this opportunity to thank especially my parents, my Uncle Edgar, Auntie Belinda, Inang Mining na nandyan parati na nagsusupport sa akin, one of my favorite lola, and also God. And especially also, hindi ako makapunta dito without the assistance of my agency, which is the Global Visa Support. Thank you, Sir Chris. I would like also to thank Global Visa Support for assisting me going here in Canada. Sa mga gusto pong makapunta, kagaya ko dito sa Canada as an international student, please contact Global Visa Support and Sir Chris. Thank you po.